Eli was a priest of Israel, but his sons, Hophni and Phinehas, acted wickedly, showing no respect for God or his laws. They exploited their position for personal gain, and although Eli knew of their actions, he failed to correct them effectively. In 1 Samuel 2 verse 29, God confronts Eli, asking, "Why do you honor your sons more than me?" Because Eli didn't take firm action, both he and his sons faced tragic consequences. When we're given responsibilities, whether as parents, leaders, or role models, it's essential to lead with integrity, honoring God above all. Ignoring wrong behavior, especially in those close to us, can lead to painful outcomes. Let's remember that true love and leadership involve guiding others toward God's ways, even when it's challenging.